Hi guys, gumawa tayo ngayon ng mango float. So, ito na yung ating mango. I have to slice the mango first. This is Marie mango float with cherries. I'm just making na guys, ito yung mango natin guys. So, ito yung ginawa ko guys. Oh. Yun lang guys. Tapos, ganito. My hands are clean. I washed it yesterday. Ito na yung mango float na hon. Full. Okay. I'm going to slice thinly. What? So we have our, wash my hands first. So we have our rosemary. Now we are going to start our Marie mango float. First thing we do, we are going to arrange our Marie to the pan. I don't care about the presents. I don't care about the presents. There is one thing I will do. Then guys, Marie. Si Marie. So, tapos guys, lagyan natin ang ating mixture guys. Condensed at saka Nestle cream. So now we are going to add our mango. I think my Marie, I need to use 2 packs of Marie because it's true. I don't care about the presents. Let's see guys how what happened. This is my very first time making this mango float with Marie. I usually use the Graham, but for a change guys, so I'm just using this. Oh, I think I'm going to get the other packs because what? Mango float. I'll just love this mango float. Mango float with Marie. There is one thing I will do. Presents all I want for Christmas. is you. Ito lang guys, ito lang eh. Anyway, add again our mango. We will add our mangoes here. Our mangoes. I don't care, I love our Christmas. The Christmas. Ihorot lang na ko siyang mango. Ano ko na lang itong mango guys kasi pang last topping. So here is our mango. And we will add our biscuit and presents. There is one thing I will do. I don't care about the presents. I want for Christmas is you. I don't care about for Christmas. There is one thing I will do. I don't care about the presents.
Somebody walking through their door right now.
Yeah.
No agent, obviously. And just said, there's 3.5 million. I've got another ball. 5, 6 or something like that. We're down to 37.45. And just, you know, the $1,500 in that hot room. I don't know. I've got a balloon. Yeah.
Open this one. Buot na siya. Ayan, wala siya. This is a mango float cherry. I don't care about the presents. So, guys, this is our Marie mango float with cherries. Okay, this is a new recipe for me. Okay, this is for our Noche Buena. Merry Christmas to you. Okay, I'm going to wrap this with foil and then I'm going to put this in the fridge. Thank you for watching. Mga Marie mango float with cherries. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.